INTRO 0 o'clock to 0:20. Want to lose weight naturally without strict dieting or intense workouts? Today, I'll show you a simple cucumber detox drink that helps reduce bloating, improve digestion, and support healthy weight loss. Let's get started. Ingredients 0:20 to 0:40. Here's what you'll need. 2 fresh cucumbers, 1 piece of fresh ginger, a handful of mint leaves, 1 lemon, 2 glasses of water. All natural, affordable, and easy to find. Preparation steps 0:42 to 30. Step 1. Prepare the cucumbers. Peel the 2 cucumbers and slice them into small pieces for easy blending. Step 2. Prepare the ginger. Peel the ginger and slice it into small pieces. Ginger helps boost metabolism and digestion. Step 3. Mint leaves. Remove the mint leaves from the stems and rinse them well. Mint helps reduce bloating and freshens digestion. Step 4. Lemon juice. Cut the lemon and extract the juice. Lemon supports detox and fat metabolism. Blending process to 30 to 330. Now add the cucumber slices, ginger, mint leaves, and lemon juice into a blender. Pour in 2 glasses of water and blend until smooth. Strain and drink 3:30 to 4:30. After blending, strain the mixture using a strainer to remove the pulp. Pour the juice into a glass and it's ready to drink. How to use for 30 to 5:30. For best results, drink this once in the morning on an empty stomach, or once in the evening before dinner. Stay consistent, drink enough water, and keep meals light. Quick note: 5:30 to 5:45. This drink supports weight loss naturally, but it's not a miracle cure. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have medical conditions. Outro and CTA 5:45 to 6 o'clock. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more natural weight loss tips. Comment cucumber if you're trying this. SEO optimized description, copy, and paste. Looking for a natural way to lose weight without strict dieting or intense workouts? This cucumber detox drink is simple. Rephrase.